Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Lund and I've just entered the junior college. So, we are all living in a world where technology has become very important and we all need to increase the walls of our knowledge in the field of computers. So, the most appropriate and the best place for learning computers according to me is Java Computer Center. Java Computer Center provides variety of courses just like MS-CIT, which is important for government jobs, Tally Prime with GST, which helps the business firms to maintain their accounts, and BTP designing, which helps us to make advertisement banners and brochures just like this one. I personally have learned the DFA course from Java Computer Center, that is Diploma in Financial Accounting. I've actually gained a very nice experience from here, and that's the best reason I'm advising you to join Java Computer Center near Sadhubela School in Ulasnagar 1. Thank you.